Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I've got my morning coffee and I wanted to get into my top 15 dividend paying stocks. So stick around for that one, guys, because you don't want to miss it. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Anthony from the Wall Street Bull here. Hope you're all doing well. I have my morning espresso. I can't live without it, as you guys all know. I'm loving this camera setup they've got at the moment because it allows me to do videos a lot quicker and bang out content, so it's really cool. And also, most importantly, keep you guys up to date with my portfolio. So I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone. Make sure if you're a fan of dividends that you like and subscribe to the channel, because it really means a lot to me and it would really help the algorithm as well. I'm noticing that quite a few of you have subscribed, so thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. And there's also a couple of younger guys that I've seen message me. Thank you very much. I really wish you all the best. I mean, if you're young and 18 years old and you're starting out investing, I mean, guys, you're on a huge path to success with regards to investing and being money smart. I can't put it into words how important it is for someone at your age to learn this stuff now, because when you're older in your 30s and 40s and 50s, you're going to be benefiting from doing this investing. So guys, thank you very much for everything. I really appreciate it. Let's get into my portfolio. So on the day, I've had a return of 0.65%, which is a little down from yesterday, but nevertheless, I'm still up $118.76 in the day, which is great. And in total, I'm up 34% across my entire portfolio, guys. So up $4,697. So that is actually up from yesterday's video, which is awesome. Now, one thing I forgot to do yesterday was actually disclose my dividends that I didn't put in the video yesterday, which I said I would. But you can see that I've got 75 cents in the portfolio there in the buying power. And what I'm wanting to go over today is obviously the top 15 dividend paying stocks in my portfolio, so you guys can do your research and have a look at those companies as well. So let's move on to my dividends that I received the other day before the video. Sorry, so I'll start from the 19th. So I received 14 cents from Ben, ticker symbol BEN, WPC of 23 cents, Stag, which is an awesome dividend payer monthly, $1.21, Realty at $3.94, Main Street Capital $1.22, ERF at 4 cents, which is not much, but doesn't matter, it all helps. And PBA is 85 cents. That was one I received last night, which is really cool. So obviously you can see that we get taxed 15% here, so that's the red you guys can see on the screen. It is annoying, but I mean, obviously everyone has to pay tax, and if we were US citizens, I believe we have to pay something like 33 cents, which is a lot more. So nevertheless, it's still great. This portfolio is building. So the main crux of this video is I'm going to go into my dividend tracker, guys, so you can see the dividends and my top payers, and we'll go through them in detail, guys, so you guys can see that. So I'll scroll over to my dividend tracking app, guys. This is really cool. So you can see here on the screen, my dividend income is $807.83, which is great a year, and I have a goal of setting that at $3,000 by the end of this year. Now, if I can do that, you guys can do that, so I'm going to be pushing really hard for this. Today I'm due to receive a big dividend, well, for me anyway, it's big, so it's $8.15 from PSEC. So this PSEC is one of my top 10 payers, so I'll go through that in a second. And my top 3 is ExxonMobil, SPHD, and PSEC. So let's open up this little feature here, which is really cool. And I'm going to go through these one by one. So ExxonMobil, ticker symbol XOM, is a fossil fuel company. Obviously, everyone knows who ExxonMobil is. They pay $228.72 per year, which is a huge dividend, guys. The next one is SPHD. This is a monthly dividend paying ETF. S&P 500, but they track the top 50 companies, guys, so this is a really good one for you to check out. This pays me $117.84 a year. Prospect Capital, PSEC, this is like an investment company, guys. They deal with finance and financing other businesses. They pay me $97.82 a year. Now this pays monthly, which is a really good one if you're looking for a monthly investment. Realty is the next one. They pay me $63.86 per year, which is growing, obviously, with the this is a REIT, so it's a real estate investment trust. Obviously, with real estate investment, property prices are always going to go up over time, and if you're not, don't hold any physical real estate, owning a REIT is another good option, an alternative for those, obviously those younger guys who can't afford to buy more, have a mortgage and whatnot. They can buy a REIT instead, and they are essentially buying real estate that way. So that's a really good one. VYM is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, and this tracks the top dividend paying companies in the S&P 500. Really big company, guys, and this is one of the biggest paying high dividend yield ETFs out there. They're paying me $49.87 a year, which is great. So just gonna have a sip of my coffee, guys. Helps me keep me awake during these videos. All right, and on very energetic, because that's what you need to be. AT&T, $37.34. Obviously, a telecommunications company, new 5G coming out this year, and it's going to be going, this is going to be one of their big points in their business. AGNC is another one, guys. They pay me $23.95. They pay monthly as well, guys. These are an investment company, mainly in financials. Main Street Capital, again, finance. They pay me $19.05, guys, and these pay monthly as well, which is a really good one. STAG, S-T-A-G, is a really good industrial REIT, so it's a real estate investment trust again, but it deals with industrial properties. They pay me $19.04 per year. Enterprise Products Partners, they are basically like an energy company, so they mainly deal with gas, but they also have a very large oil component as well, but mainly gas, which is good because they're not really affected by the oil so much, and gas is always going to be needed, obviously because of the growing population and whatnot. And these guys pay me $18.99 per year, and they have had consecutive dividend growth for the last 20 years or so. So do your research on this one, guys. The next one is Philip Morris, obviously a cigarette company. If you're into that thing, whatever, but they do pay a really good dividend, guys. I'm getting $18.44 from them a year. And they're quarterly as well. PBA, Pembina Pipeline Corporation, gas again, which is energy sector. They pay monthly as well, $13.30. Gain, Gladstone Investment Corporation, $10.87 a year. AbbVie, $7.51 a year. Now these guys pay a really big dividend every quarter, and they're quite expensive at the moment, but they do pay a really good dividend. The next one is Altria Group, MO. Everyone's got probably a stock in this one here because they are they deal with like cigarettes and tobacco and I believe cannabis. I'm not sure exactly, but this is Altria Group. They pay me $6.88 a year. VCLT is like a long-term bonds with Vanguard, so long-term corporate bonds ETF, and these are a monthly payer, guys. They pay $5.51 a year because I've only got like one share because it's worth like $300 or something like that, which is quite expensive. And I'll go through the last three here that you guys can see. VOO is the S&P 500 ETF. This is the entire S&P 500 when you're buying this ETF here, so your money is basically buying and spreading across, diversifying across the entire S&P 500. That's $4.64. And OSXQ is Oxford Square Capital Corp. This one is like a penny stock. I bought into this because they are a monthly payer. I did some research, but they do it mainly in finance. And the last one here that I've got here is PepsiCo, ticker symbol PEP. These guys pay me at $3.25. And guys, these are the top dividend paying companies in my portfolio. These are fantastic. They will grow over time. Obviously the ones you're going to be aware of now are the fossil fuel companies, just because we don't know what's going to happen with regards to the new administration in the White House. So look, hopefully nothing causes any problems, but they continue paying dividends with these companies, guys. So yeah, so these are my top 15 dividend paying companies, guys. I really wanted to show that. I'm got 27% of my goal reached, which is great. $3,000 as I mentioned before, and 29% of my dividends come from energy and materials companies. So this is a really cool app, guys. Really cool to set yourself a goal and keep track of it, so check it out. And my monthly income here, you can see on average it's $65.75, which is awesome, guys. As I started out, with like 50 cents or 20 cents. This is really cool to see $65 a month on average, which is really cool. Alright, so make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, guys, and if you've got any other high dividend paying stocks, put them in the comments below. And yeah, guys, thanks very much for sticking around and watching the video, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel because it really helps the algorithm. Alright, so stay safe, take care, peace, all the best, bye.